Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we sometimes talk about lifestyle, DIY, traveling, and budgeting like this video right here. So stay tuned. Okay guys, in this video, we're gonna be doing my second paycheck of April, and we're gonna do the cash stuffings part. I do really fast wanna say and congratulate myself on, I'm gonna show you right here. This is my debt. I'm gonna go deeper into my debt itself, but I did pay off two different credit cards. Inform you guys, let you guys know. But right now, this video is gonna be about all of my, or just doing the cash stuffings and sinking funds. Okay, I do have leftovers in my wallet, so look how pretty this is. Hello, spring. That's so pretty. Even the back is pretty. Okay, so in miscellaneous, we currently have $6. So I'm gonna put the 5 to the side and the 1 to the side. And gas, we currently have 5. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, 5 is going to the side and all the ones are going to the side. I'll let you guys know what I do with that right in a minute. And then in household, we're actually gonna carry over, and I think there's just a 5 there. Yeah, so we're gonna carry over this amount right here. And then in groceries, 0. So I have started a new binder, which is my savings challenge. So all of this money is going to go in my $1 savings challenge and my $5 savings challenge. So I'm gonna stuff it on there. So in this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 for it. So I'm just gonna put it up here, and then I will put that in my savings binder. Perfect. So miscellaneous this month is going to be getting a $20 bill. Gas will be getting 70. So 20, 40, 60. 70. Household will be getting 20. So now we have 25. And in groceries, we'll be getting 100. I'm going to be doing a meal prep video, so stay tuned for that, and a grocery haul too. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Perfect. And then I'm going to set this one off to the side. Okay, next is going to be the kids' binder. And we're going to start with back to school. Back to school is going to be getting a 20. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 for back to school. Christmas is getting 20. Now we have 100, 200, 20, 40. So 240. Sweet 16 is going to be getting 20. So now we have 1, 20, 40, 50. Family, so the kids' envelope, they're each going to be getting $15. So 10, now they have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stuff the remaining envelopes with Teen 2 as well. Perfect. Now let's go to mine. And we're gonna look at this right here. I love it. Not fragile like a flower, fragile like a bomb. And this is the shop that I purchased it from. Hold on, let me just zoom in. I'll put her shop down below, her Etsy shop down below. Perfect. Okay, so Beauty is gonna be getting 20. Beauty now has 100, 240. 120, 40, 140. Next is car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting 20. So now we have 120, 40, 60, 80, 90. So 190 in car maintenance. I have admissions coming up in September, so I need to make sure I pass. Medical is going to be getting 20. Currently have a 20 in here. And now it has 40. I know when I did my last video, or my other videos, we were saving heavily for medical, and medical had about like over $2,000 in here. I am having surgery the beginning of next month, so that's where that money went to. So we're saving again for medical. Wellness is going to be getting 20. And for wellness, my plan for wellness is I want laser hair removal, to be honest. Let me know in the comments box below if anybody has gotten hair removal and how painful it is. I hear mixed reviews, like saying the technology got better, so it's non-painful. So I've gotten it before, but when I got it, it was a couple years ago, and it was painful. So, but they told me since then the technology, it got even way better, so it's non-painful. So we'll find out once I do it. So in in wellness, we have 40. And I definitely keep you guys updated on the pain level. On the pain of it. Travel, of course, everybody knows I went to Costa Rica, if you didn't, and came back with nothing in my envelope. So now we're re-savings. I do go to the Virgin Islands the middle of October of this year. So that's what we're gonna be saving up for now. So currently right now, and probably have 50, and we're gonna add another 50. We're gonna add 50. So 20, 40, 50. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. My plan is to travel to not all, because the Caribbean has a lot of islands, but to go to the majority of the islands in the Caribbean. I am definitely an island girl at heart. So emergency is going to be getting 100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700 in emergency funds. Perfect. And savings, it's going to be getting 215 on this one. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 860, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So $1,865 in savings. Perfect. And we have $30 left. And I'm not too sure what this is for. So let me come right back and see where I skipped this. So one moment. Okay, so I am back and I just counted and I totally forgot. I made myself a note saying that don't forget to pay for the girls' cheerleading competition. So this is what this is. I had to pull out cash because their coach only takes cash. Well, their class right now is only taking cash for the competition. So that's why I thought this. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. Actually, I'm gonna put it in my wallet so I won't forget when I pick up the girls. And when I take them on Saturday to cheer. So perfect. So that is it for this cash stuffing. If you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye now.